All right, YouTube, it's too nice of a afternoon here to not come out to the woodlot and do something. So I've got one kid cleaning up around the processor, I have another kid wrapping up some bundles, and I'm going to tackle this pile of poplar. We did a demo with the Halverson HWP 140B with the 4-way because the guy wanted to see the big pieces for his boiler, but I cannot sell something that's that big to homeowners with an indoor stove. And it's poplar, so normally I don't even put that in my bulk firewood. So we have a firewood stand out front, and it makes for really good campfire bundles and all that kind of stuff because it just seasons up so well, so fast, and it burns quick. So get things warmed up, and we'll just start chopping. I'm kind of curious how much is there because we have an empty 1/3 of a cord bag over there. So stay tuned. right, so here's what we were able to do. That was a pretty good wood pile I had on the log lift there and everything, so really happy with what turned out here. And again, this is going to be bundle wood, so that's why we split it extra small. It just works into our wrapper that much easier and allows the customer to have some nice small stuff to put in, like a solo stove or the little campfire pit in the backyard. But this is one of the reasons that I really enjoy these log lift firewood bags. That mosquito netting is awesome. I can just look in there just on the quick glance and know that's my kindling wood because of the small pieces, versus if you had something like this, you have no idea what's in there. Especially if you're dropping this off at like a retail location or something, you want to be able to have the customer look inside that bag and know that there's nothing big hidden down at the bottom. It's nice, even pieces the whole way up, nothing rotten, no surprises, just firewood. All right, well, my CDO disorder, which is actually like OCD, but my version is extra special because it's alphabetically correct. I cannot tell you what it does to my head to have just a partial bag, so I digress. It's my bane of my existence right now is partially filled bags. So, but that's gonna go for campfire wood anyway, so we'll move that over here by the wrapper so we can go through that and just wrap it up in a nice 0.75 cubic foot little bundles for out at the firewood stand or over at the hardware store in town. So, but if you're watching our videos, and we put out quite a few here in the last, probably the last month anyway, especially the last 2 weeks with the Halverson stuff coming in and now the Split Force stuff all coming in. If you like what you see, one, hit that like and subscribe button. You know, we couldn't do what we do without subscribers and viewers like you. And two, go ahead and call me. I would love to earn your business with a sales quote. As you can see in the videos, we use everything that we sell. I can answer a lot of questions, whether it's just how to set up your firewood business, what machine would work best for you, or unit specific questions, you know, like the Split Force SF1316. We have the product knowledge, we have the experience on it, would love to earn your business. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And if you ever want more information on anything that we have for sale, it's over on the website, shaverequipment.com. And even on the website, if you go up to the top right-hand corner, click Finance, you can go down. It's ACG Equipment Finance. Real simple to use application there for doing finance on anything that we sell. So again, let me earn your business with that sales quote. Give us a phone call, shoot us an email, visit the website, hit that like and subscribe button. And working hard to be lazy has never been easier with all of these hydraulic helpers that we're so blessed to have at the woodlot. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.